Welcome to Light Duty channel, where I make magical devices using electronics, 3D printing, and CNC. My friend is an artist, and she creates colorful abstract pieces. Once I saw her works, I realized that I have to gift her this. This is a colorizer. It's a device that uses different colors to make pictures alive. Right, as you can see, it can basically, it's right here, right? It's an interesting visual effects applicable to any colorful picture. So I got the device for her, but I wasn't happy with it. It's not rechargeable. It's not stationary, so it's designed to be mobile and used from time to time, while I wanted to give her a light that can be used in her studio permanently. So I went on a 4-month journey to create this. This is a lighthouse, as you can see, lamp that has different color effects. Let me explain you how it works. So this is a print I got from Amazon, and you can see it uses quite a few bright colors. So it has green eyes, white teeth, green letters, red tree over here, blue, purple, multiple colors. This print is UV reactive, and under UV you can see that some colors like green, white, they get bright, and red we see that the eyes, which were green, almost disappeared. The smile, it was white, so it is now visible. White lighter parts are highlighted, and in the tree we see the tree is red, so the tree reflects red light very well. We see all the details. So moving forward, now we switch to blue. Oh no, it's actually ultraviolet. Now green. The details on the red became black, right? The tree was red, now it's black, and we don't see any details here. Again, white color reflects green back, and now green captions and green eyes look very bright. And now blue. Again, blue items, for example, the tree here, some purple elements, they get brighter, and red tree and green eyes, they get dimmer. So as the visual effects switch between different colors, let's do this. Different parts of image get brighter. And then here is our warm fire effect. It's a completely different vibe compared to white, ultraviolet, red, green. Also see the transition. Blue. And now warm fire. So what features does it have? The end ball on the top can turn it on or off, or if you spin it, it can switch between different modes. Joystick can control brightness as well as speed. You can slow it down or make it very fast. If you press the joystick, it will pause whatever color is visible right now. On the bottom, power on and power off, which disables battery from the controller, and UV safety switch with warning label. It has a fan. The light here is very powerful, and it gets very hot. So when it is overheating, it would turn on the fan and send the air from the bottom through a tower to cool down the light module and come and push hot air out of those vents. At max power, this light is blindly bright. There is enough light for a decent sized living room. If you want to actually look at art, this color is very bright and distracting. That's why it is directional. By turning the lighthouse, you can point the light where you want in a way that will not blind you. And the back side, it still lights up, but it's not blinding anymore. Okay, what's next? I think I'll make a couple more lighthouses, but I will simplify the model for 3D printing because I'm not very happy with how this comes out of the print, how this part. Also need to tune the extrusion on the caption here. I'm sure I can achieve better quality. And I will reuse the light module and software for some other projects to achieve the same visual effects. Maybe I'll do something more mobile to use at parties or festivals. And finally, I can put this on pause and get back to my work on my compass for Burning Man. So, if you like this build, then subscribe to this channel. I want to make a few more videos about transparency of plastic, about designing models using parameters, about mixing organic shapes with electronics, about writing software using ChatGPT, and in general about usability and human aspects of making usable devices like this. Okay, then leave me a comment about the build, any questions. I'll be happy to talk about pretty much anything. And also what topics should I cover more in the videos about this build. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.